Hello! Before we start this tutorial, I want to invite you to check our new Intelligent Sensor Gateway, ISG 500, a reliable and compact substation hardware platform that fits perfectly in any space and budget. You can find more details in the description below. In this video, I will cover the following topics: how to search, play and download recorded videos, and how to view and search alarms. Let's start with recorded videos. Click on the historical icon located in the right control panel. In the top left, we can choose the archiver server and the VMS server where the video is located, in case you have more than one. To select the video that you want to play, set the slider range, start and end date. Then set the time in the video playback or use the slider. The slider has the advantage of being color coded. Green means that we have video recorded. Red means that we had an alarm, and yellow will indicate the video time frame that is selected. We can change the range of the slider using those arrows and plus and minus button. Let's watch a recorded video. I can choose a time here or change the position of the slider. Now I will choose my duration, 5 minutes for example. Press view and the player will pop up. It is possible to select two cameras at the same time. It will combine two videos in only one screen. We can play with interval and time span also. As example, I will put 10 minutes in the interval, 5 seconds in the duration, and 6 hours in the time span. Now we have a video that plays 5 seconds, jump 10 minutes, play another 5 seconds, jump another 10 minutes, and so on. It will do that for 6 hours. This function is very useful to find an event when you don't know exactly when it happened. In the top right, we have two buttons named View and Play File. When you use View, it will stream the video directly from the server. If you use Play File button, it will download the video and play from your computer. In this case, when you close the player, it will give you the option to save the file. Now, let's talk about alarms and how to play videos that are associated with alarms. To open the alarm window, we can click on the Alarm Events button located at the right control panel, or in the square icon here. By the way, this area is a summary with the latest alarm in the system. This is very nice. We can find what happened using the snapshot, timestamp, location, and description. To make the search easier, we can filter by date, time, channel, alarm type, location, and archive server. When you find the alarm, press View to watch the file directly from the server, press Play to watch the file in your local client with the Save option. We can also view the live image, select the video size in the drop-down menu, and save the snapshot. That's it. Check our YouTube channel for more videos, and for any question, please contact us at Systems with Intelligence.